Life can hit you harder than you ever imagined. Some days, your heart feels heavy, your soul feels empty, and it seems like nothing will ever go right. You feel broken. But what if your breaking is actually the start of something greater? What if Allah is preparing to rebuild you, stronger than before? When life shatters your plans and dreams, it leaves pain and emptiness behind. You may cry alone, question your purpose, or feel lost. These moments are not the end. They are openings for Allah to work. Every silent tear, every sleepless night, every whispered prayer reaches Him. He hears, He sees, and He never leaves you. Allah rebuilds not by fixing everything at once. He rebuilds by giving patience, courage, and wisdom. Each struggle becomes a thread in the strength He is creating inside you. Life may have torn you apart, but Allah is piecing you back together. You will rise. You will heal. You will shine. Do not fear the future or regret the past. Every trial carries a purpose. Your brokenness is not weakness. It is a space for light, love, and guidance. Every closed door, every lost dream, is shaping a life far better than you imagine. Trust that Allah is working behind the scenes, even when you cannot see it. When you feel like giving up, remember this: the cracks in your heart are openings for light. Your hardships are opportunities to grow. Your prayers, your patience, your struggles, they are all part of a plan you may not yet understand. Life may break you, but Allah rebuilds you with love, mercy, and perfection. Rise slowly, step by step. Trust, hope, and pray. Life can break you, but Allah rebuilds you. He restores what is lost, strengthens what is weak, and fills your heart with peace. You are never alone. You are always loved, guided, and held. If this touched your heart, share it with someone who needs hope. Like this video to spread faith, and subscribe to stay inspired. Your journey of rebuilding begins today.